A red herring fallacy happens when a speaker introduces an irrelevant issue into the discussion in order to distract from the argument at hand. So the speaker will start talking about something that is completely unrelated, or at the very least tangentially related, to the topic that is being discussed, but doesn't really have anything to do with that topic. I like to call this the squirrel argument, because it's a distraction tactic for the audience. It's trying to get them to think about something else rather than thinking about the topic that is being discussed. For example, bringing up socialism during an argument about nationalized healthcare is an example of a red herring fallacy, because those are two different discussions. So, politicians use this fallacy all the time. They are often asked questions in presidential debates about one topic, and then their answer has nothing to do with that topic. They talk about whatever their policy planks are, rather than actually addressing the question that was asked. So make sure you're paying attention to what the topic actually is and whether the presenter is talking about that topic.